Texas has one of the strongest sets of laws requiring open meetings by public entities, governmental entities of any state in the country.
The Texas Attorney General claiming the Travis County Commissioners violated that law. On March 19th, a vague item was listed on the commissioners' agenda. After commissioners discussed the item in executive session, they voted publicly.
I'd like to move to direct PBO to process a budget adjustment totaling $115,000 from the general fund allocated reserve as an automatic budget adjustment as discussed in executive session.
It passed unanimously. Fox 7 submitted a public information request to the county for information about what the money being moved was for, what security enhancements are being funded, what threats were made that warranted the transfer of funds, and any evidence of such threats. The assistant county attorney stated any responsive records must be withheld under the common law physical safety exception in Texas Homeland Security Act because, quote, release of any existing responsive information would subject an elected official to a substantial threat of physical harm.
I think their position would be that there's a security issue, and if they send you documents about the security issue, then they've given away the store.
The county asked the Attorney General for a ruling, which gives them 45 business days to do so. Last month, the AG sued the Travis County Commissioners Court for violating the Texas Open Meetings Act during that vote on March 19th. The AG says, quote, Travis County has illegally abused procedure to conceal self-serving decision-making, to hide from scrutiny, and to prevent citizens from knowing exactly what is being done with their money.
When you're working on the bread and butter, how much are we going to spend on the core functions of our government? People are entitled to know when that's under discussion so they can hear how the money is being spent.
Last week, commissioners re-voting on the item.
I move to approve funding in the amount of $115,000 to the district attorney for necessary security enhancements taken to address threats and security risks at locations determined by a security assessment that are necessary to protect the district attorney and preserve his ongoing county functions and duties.
All those in favor, please raise your hand. That passes unanimously.
It shows that the city decided they needed to go ahead and get it right because the requirements are, they're fairly demanding under our Texas law.
A day after the commissioners' meeting, Fox 7 received a ruling from the AG after the county requested one regarding the public information request. The AG saying the county failed to demonstrate why some of the information should be withheld and says the county must release the information. The county has yet to.
At some point, you're going to be within your rights to sue the city for an order requiring them to do what the law, and now the AG has confirmed, the law requires them to do.
The county is required to promptly release the requested information or send notification about their intent to challenge the ruling. They have 30 calendar days to challenge the ruling in district court.